Welcome to Your C News. I'm your anchor Zelda. This is my co-anchor Lucinda, and our reporter today is Maggie, and our news director is Tyler. Today is Friday, May 12th, 2023. It's a week 2, day 5. Stay tuned for today's announcements. Attention C students, spring fling is tonight from 6 to 8 p.m. at C. There will be games, food trucks, fire trucks, vehicle tours, as well as Beat the Bucket and many other fun activities. See you there. Over to you for the shoutouts, Lucinda.
Thanks, Zelda. Shout out to Mrs. Feet and Mr. Carlos at Fair Crystal for letting the 5th graders use library space for classes in C News. You rock! Now over to Maggie for the birthdays.
Thank you, Lucinda. Today's birthdays include Logan and Mrs. Wolf's class. Head on down to the office for your birthday pencil. Now over to Lucinda for the lunch menu.
Thank you, Maggie. Today's lunch for Fair is bacon cheeseburger, jalapeno cheese bites, and butter carrots. For C, garlic cheese bread, marinara sauce, and cherry tomatoes. Over to you, Maggie, for the weather forecast.
Thanks, Lucinda. Today's weather should be a high of 75 and a low of 62 with a chance of storms. There is no pledge. Now over to me for some more June birthdays. Birthdays for the 3rd week of June include James and Mrs. Hayes' class, Charlie and Callan / Snyder's class, Olivia and Miss Gentry's class, Locken and Miss Kreiffel's class, Henry and Mrs. Wolf's class, Henry and Mrs. Kreiffel's class, Isaiah and Miss Mayo's class, Linnea and Mr. Rand's class, Andrew and Miss Gentry's class. Head on down to the office for your birthday pencil.
We'll see you later!
But we gotta go
release
release the
the
trout.